Hey y'all, it's your friend D, and in today's video, we're going to take a look at a couple of Rainbow High Littles and see how they compare to Barbie Extra Minis. But first, let's open a My Mini Baby. I know these were released last year, and I'm just now getting around to buying one, so let's open this one. So we have 3 bags, and looks like the birth certificate and the collector's guide. Let's open up the larger bag first. And we have, I'm not sure what this is. Oh, the changing table. Here's the changing table put together, and it's really cute. The next bag, and looks like this is the cushion. The cushion is rubber, it's yellow with white polka dots, and it has rubber pegs at the bottom. And I guess the pegs fit inside of these openings. Yeah. We also got a yellow headband with a bow. In that bag, we also got a little yellow blanket, or it might be a towel, but it has a cloud on it, and it velcros. So you can swaddle the baby inside of it. And I'm guessing the last bag is our baby. So here's our baby, and I have to say, as soon as you open the bag with the baby in it, there is a very strong chemical smell. So just be aware of that. But the baby is really cute, and it's soft and flexible. And I know there are 3 different skin tones, and I think this is the lightest skin tone. You can see the little ears. Very cute. So you can see I did wrap the baby in the blanket, and the headband does fit. It was a tight fit, so I'm not sure if I would leave this on the doll for a very long time. I'm not sure if the color would transfer to the doll, but I just wouldn't recommend just leaving it on. And the baby does fit on the changing table. And of course, these are a decent size for Barbies. You're such a good little boy, making babysitting easy for Uncle Roger. We're just going to sit back and watch the football game. What's that smell? There's no way that's you. Whoa, couldn't you have waited till halftime? The first Rainbow High Littles I have is Sapphire Bradshaw, and these dolls are about 5.5 to 6 inches tall. On the back of the box, you can see all 6 of the dolls that were released in this series. So all of these dolls come with a little pet, and they look like they're made of gemstones. So this one is supposed to be sapphire, so it's blue, and I'm not sure if it's a unicorn or some other type of animal with a horn. She comes with a blue plastic tote bag, and it says RH on it. It is finished all the way around, and it's pretty wide, so you can put items inside of it. Here's the doll out of the box, and she is able to stand on her own. Her face is very pretty, and the paint job on this one is really good. The littles don't have the inset eyes like the larger Rainbow High dolls, but this is still really pretty. She has several different shades of blue in her hair, and it's parted down the center, and you can see it's in 2 braids in the front, and it goes down to ponytails with ringlets. She has quite a bit of hair, and it's really soft. Her top is made of plastic. It looks like a shirt with a denim vest over the top of it with silver buttons. Her skirt is made of a light denim material, and is stitched and has a faux button right here and faux pockets. The top just has a slit in the back, so it can be removed. The skirt velcros. Mine is kind of messed up from being inside of the packaging, and we do have some pockets here in the back. And I just realized she has little dimples on her elbows. And she comes with blue high top athletic shoes. The Rainbow High Littles are the little sisters to the larger Rainbow High dolls. So Sapphire's big sister is Skylar. One thing that I wish they would have carried over with the littles is the articulation. The larger Rainbow High dolls have a lot of articulation. The littles just have basic articulation. Next, I have Indigo, and Indigo is the little sister to Crystal. I was able to get Indigo at Walmart for $4.59. I think the regular price at Walmart is $9.97. Indigo also comes with a little pet, and I'm not sure if this is a unicorn horse or some other kind of animal. But it does have a little tail in the back, and the ears, one is lopsided, so I'm not sure what this is supposed to be. And she comes with a purple purse. The purse can open, and you can put items inside. Here's Indigo out of the packaging, and you can see she can stand on her own, but her hair does need a lot of attention. Here's a close-up of her face, and it's very pretty. I love her eyes. You can see the purple and green in her eyes. Her lip color is really nice also. Her hair is in micro braids, and the braids are really nicely done. You just need to probably rinse her hair so it will lay flatter. And she does come wearing a purple dress. The top of the dress is plastic, but it is attached to the skirt, which is a very pretty material. Looks like there's butterflies on it. And there is a ruffle at the bottom. And there is a lining underneath. The top of the dress, which is the plastic part, is just cut in the center so it can open, and the bottom of it has Velcro, and you can just take the entire dress off of the doll. And she comes with purple athletic shoes, and there looks to be butterflies on her shoes. I think all of the littles come with slightly different poses. You can see that Indigo has one elbow bent and the other arm is straight. Sapphire has a slight bend in both elbows. In a previous video, one of you guys asked if I ever bought the Rainbow High Littles, if I could check if they can wear Barbie Extra Mini clothes. I didn't have a Barbie Extra Mini, but my husband was nice enough to purchase this one from Amazon for me for $8. The doll comes with a stand, and it says Barbie Extra Minis on the bottom as well as on the top. And she comes with a purple diamond shaped purse, and the purse can open. Here's our doll out of the packaging, and I think she is very pretty. She does have quite a large head compared to the rest of her body, but I think that's part of the appeal for this doll. Here's a close-up of her face, and I don't think my camera's picking up the glitter that is on her pupils, but it's really nice. It's subtle, and she does have pretty big eyebrows, but I think they suit her face. She has blonde hair, and it does need to be brushed right out of the packaging, and there is a little bit of fallout. She wears a gold crown headband, gold earrings, and I call these door knockers. I'm not sure if they're still called that, but that's what I remember these being called. A pink one-shoulder dress, has a ruffle at the top and a ruffle at the bottom. The dress does Velcro in the back. She has these faux fur pink cuffs on her arms. They remind me of winter muffs that people would wear to put their arms in to stay warm. And these do slide on and off of the doll's arms. She has a gold belt that says Queen, and the belt just clips around the doll's waist. She's wearing gold heels. At first I thought these were boots, but as I look closer, they're just heels with a large strap across the ankle with a lot of embellishments on it. And this doll has a lot of articulation. She can move at the head, side to side, not so much up and down. At her shoulder, she can move up and down, and front and back. She does have articulation at the elbow, nothing at the wrist. At her hip, she can go side to side and back and forth, and she can bend at the knee. I can already tell that the Rainbow High Littles torso is bigger than the Barbie Extra Mini, so I'm not sure if they will be able to wear each other's clothes, but we'll give it a shot. Also, the Rainbow High Little's feet are a lot bigger than the Barbie Extra Minis. So the Barbie Extra Mini can wear Sapphire's top, but the skirt is way too big. It's almost falling off of her. And the Barbie Extra Mini dress looks really good on the Rainbow High Little, as long as you're looking from the front because it can't close. I wanted to try this dress on Indigo because I thought the color would go nicely with her hair, but it still does not close in the back. And the Barbie Extra Mini can fit Indigo's dress. It is a little bit big, but I think we can get away with it. For me, I was hoping a little bit more from the Rainbow High Littles. I did not realize that part of their clothing was plastic, so that was a little bit of a letdown for me. They are still really pretty dolls. I just wish all of their clothes was fabric, and I wish they had a little bit more articulation. And for that reason, I think I would go with the Barbie Extra Mini because of their articulation. And the clothing is a lot better compared to the plastic clothing of the Rainbow High Littles. But I might be persuaded to give the Rainbow High Littles another chance if in the next wave they come out with some boy littles. So my friends, let me know what you think about these dolls, and if you have any questions about anything in this video, please leave it in the comments below. I will try my best to answer your questions, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye bye.